Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Today's Wednesday. Harold's on a fit. He wants some food. A snack. He's spoiled. But Bella's the one that gets treated. She'll give us some milk. We're giving her some grain. Okay, they get some treats. That's some cinnamon rolls for breakfast. Uh-oh. But Harold's out. He wants more. Oh no, Harold. Hang on. Sure noisy. Making too much noise out here. It's not time for you to eat yet. It is a beautiful morning. There is a slight breeze. I hope it calms down. There's a little stronger breeze right there. Getting tired of the wind. I have a lot of stuff I need to do out here. The wind makes it difficult. She don't like being left alone. She's the people's goat. Did you do this, Brandy? I seen you trying to jump on top of it. You know, that one was whooping around. You probably had a chance and you jumped it and you got it on the ground. So what are you gonna do now? You're gonna get rained on. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. Anyway, I gotta put this back up. That way they have some shelter from the sun. Yeah, Brandy, you're a brat. Getting some free fill dirt with some gravel and stuff on it. Just dump it here and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with it. It all depends how much rock's in this, where I put this soil. Doesn't look too bad so far. Heading down through the pile of dirt there. I use it to fill the holes in the garden before I spread the manure around. Got a little bit of rock in it. I have some of the holes filled. This is going to help level it out a little bit. I'm going to take the spike tooth and drag it around. And I really need to get a disc in here. It's level better than what I can do with this tractor with a bucket or with the rototiller. Hawk flying over. Looking for something neat. Well, I hope this works. I'm not for sure if this little mower is gonna pull this or not. We're gonna sure try. Alright, here we go. This area right here is kind of thick. I hope I don't get stuck. Yep, that's what's happening. I'm done dragging this around, and did help fill some of the holes. Of course, it's not totally level, but it's a lot closer than what it was. Birds usually come out when I'm tilling or anything like that, moving dirt. It's easier to catch their worms. Sally decided to take a ride with me, change the irrigation. take the spike tooth up to where I'm going to plant the lawn on the patio. See if I can't drag it around with the mower and see if I can't loosen up the soil so I can plant it, so I don't have to rake as much. I'm not sure it'll work or not, but we'll give it a try. With such a small space, I'm not sure if I can make the corners or not without tearing it up too bad. I'm going to drop it off and go till the garden. It's got to dry out anyway. There we go. Yeah, it's a little dusty. Dog brings sticks in my garden. I had lunch. I got the water moved. I got the pigs watered. And all the animals have hay. And the chickens are fed. Now, I can get back over here and finish rototilling the garden. I'm almost halfway finished. I have the whole thing rototilled. I start backblading along the fence line, and I'm going to attempt to backblade from here to the other end, try to drag some of the soil down in the lower spots. I'm going to try to just drag this tire around and see if that doesn't help level us out some. This is the end of our day. Most of the chores are done. Just got to drop some hay off for the little ones up top. Anyway, I know this has been a long video. We got a lot of stuff done today, and the day has been beautiful. Couldn't ask for a better day. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.